When ordering kindergarten with Palm Beach Virtual, which utilizes the K-12 curriculum, you get 2 large boxes of material sent to you. The first box includes the science kit, the history kit, the basic phonics book kit, the science core kit, and I chose to have an elective of music. So here's what each box contains. The science keeper kit includes a thermometer, a graduated cylinder, a mirror, a magnifying glass, and some safety goggles. The history kit is quite heavy. It includes several storybooks, Ferdinand, an inflatable globe, a laminated map, several storybooks. Keep going. The student guide, part 1 and 2. Oh, here's another storybook. And here's what the student guide looks like, quite large. The phonics kit has in it these small readers, Phonic Works readers, looks like about 10 small books. Phonic Works assessment, Phonics Works activity book, hardbound Phonics Works lesson guides, part 1 and part 2. Oh, and also some sight word flashcards. Science core kit includes another inflatable globe, some storybooks, The Big Dipper, What's Alive, a science student guide, a couple more storybooks, part 1 and 2 to the student guide, and also a set of magnets. Music elective includes a tambourine, some rhythm sticks, and a hardbound music reference guide. This is just the first box. This is the second box of materials that you get. 3 bigger boxes in here, the K-12 Phonics Works Basics Kit, the Math Blue Course Kit, and the Language Arts Blue Course Kit. So in the Phonics kit that's here, you get a dry erase board, some basic word tiles, some little dry erase boards, a small pack of those, a larger unfoldable magnetic board, dry erase eraser, a couple of markers, a big binder to put it all in. The next box, the math box, includes box of 2-dimensional shapes. There's a lot of them in here. 2 boxes of 3-dimensional shapes. and some math snap cubes, kind of like a generic version of Unifix cubes. Also included is the K-12 math student book and the math lesson guide. And finally, the last box to open in here is the language arts box. It's quite heavy. And that includes an accomplishments chart with stickers, several literature books, more. This K-12 World Taking Care of Ourselves and the Earth small reader, an All About Me workbook, Amazing Places workbook, Language Arts activity book, a handwriting book, Saner Blosser, Animals Around the World, more children's literature, Busy Bodies book, K-12 Read Aloud Treasury, some more literature, and then 2 learning guides, book 1 and book 2. Finally, these are all the items taken out of the boxes that you receive when you order kindergarten with Palm Beach Virtual, which uses K-12 curriculum. So these are all of the things that are sent to you free of charge. My table is over 4 feet wide, and it didn't contain it all. I had to add some over here. These are all of the materials that are sent to you.